Hey everybody, Mike Freeland coming at you on this Friday, February the 11th, 2022. It's 2:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I just uploaded one video today. Pretty excited about this Novatech opportunity. Not trading anything at all, allowing the company to trade for me. And I just put some crypto over into the account this past Thursday, I believe, and not thinking that I was going to have anything today, but when I checked, because they do pay on Fridays, there was some money in there that, based on what I had put in, which really made me excited, and I'm really getting ready to take off with this. But anyway, this video right here is just to show you how the compounding works, or has the potential to work, in Novatech. Now, before we get started, let me just say I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose money, definitely, so don't trade or anything with money you cannot afford to lose. Why? Because the past success or the past profits don't in no way guarantee future results. All right? I'm showing you this for entertainment and educational purposes. Should you decide to partner with me in Novatech. Now, as I've shown, if you've seen in my other videos, if you've seen any videos with anybody about Novatech, you can join Novatech or for the minimum of $99. That will start the process of you compounding money. Now, when you do that, because Novatech charges monthly a $25 fee, which is the cheapest I've seen out of any platform. If you're doing around $99 or $100, let's say, you're going to eat into your profits because you have to pay that monthly. So what most people are doing is they're starting off right about the $500 package, which is the third package. But me, I started at the $99 just so that me being a teacher and going to share how to profit in this and be successful, I have to be a student first, so that I can see what all of the ups and downs are based on where you come in. So I'm getting ready to upgrade to the 500, but I started at the $99 package. All right, it actually goes from $99 to $499. Then the next package starts at $500. You're doing that, or the worst case scenario, you can invest like about $300, because what's going to happen is, you don't want your monthly fee to eat into your profit unless you come in with larger investments. So anyway, what I wanted to do, guys, was show you this calculator here. You can find online. It's just called the calculator site. I make no money off of this. I just use it as an example. It's not affiliated with Novatech in any way. It's just a tool, a compounding tool to show you what happens. So let's say you came in, or you were coming in with $100. And I'm going to do a couple of scenarios for you, right? Now, Novatech says that on a weekly basis, they may pay anywhere from 2 to 3%, sometimes a little less than 3%, sometimes a little more. So we want to set it at 3%. And then I just set this as a year. Say you put your money in, you're going to let it roll over and roll over. Each week, you're going to add whatever your profit is up into your main balance, not taking anything out. All right, you're also going to include weekends, because trading crypto trades 7 days a week. So I included the weekends, and you, again, like I said, you're going to reinvest 100%. And let's just say for an example, you're starting today. So when we hit the calculation, off your $100 in a year's time, guys, you will make almost $500. Then they give you the breakdown of everything you would make every month. That would get you up to this $476. Now keep in mind, each month with Novatech, they would take their $25 fee, so it would eat into that. So if you come in where I did at $99, you'll have to keep adding $25 in to cover that fee, or you can come in between $300 and $500, and then that kind of helps you, move around that, which I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to add more. So next week my account will be higher. So let's just say, but I mean, this is very, very good. You got to admit, You know that if you know the banks use your money. I'm sure you know the banks use your money to make money while you sleep. All right. But at the end of the year, off of all of the money they've made off of your account and everybody else that they have that's members, you know, you guys, if you're lucky, you may get a couple of bucks and a big thank you, $2 or $3 and a big thank you at the end of the year. You're definitely not seeing that. All right. So let's just go, and we're going to leave that there. We're going to leave everything there. Let's just move this up. Let's say people do for 3 years, okay? Do for 3 years, you're going to calculate this. And this is not going to be a long video, but it's going to be exciting. Look at what you can get in 3 years. All right, some people say 3 to 5 years or whatever. I'm just showing you. And then, of course, they show you the breakdown. And it goes the whole 3 years so you can see what's going on in detail. But I'm just showing you what your potential is, okay? So I want to do one more. Let's move up. Now, there are people coming in, guys, I mean, with thousands of dollars because they understand this whole compounding deal. Don't want to trade, don't know how to trade, aren't really caring about trading. They're just letting the compounding system that Novatech has put together work for them. Okay, it's like 401k. It's actually a hedge fund. They're sitting back and they're literally some people that I've talked to that are just coming to the Novatech site on every Friday just to see what came in their account as a bonus, and they add that to their trading account so that they can start making money off of that being in the trading account as well. So let's just say, you guys, we're going to do the 500 I was saying. I'm not changing. Well, I'll change this back to 1 year because I want you to see the numbers. It's great to see the numbers, but we're not going to change anything else. All right? So in a year's time off your $500, here's your potential. Here is your potential in that year's time. And of course, you can come down and you can see how much is going into your account on a monthly basis. All right? Although this is set for weekly because that's the 3% weekly, that's what you can see. But let's do one more. Let's just say, guys, let's say you're going to start off with $1,000 in your account. All right? Keep in mind, again, we're going to do this for 1 year, and then we're going to do 3 years, and then we're going to do 5 years here. Okay? Keep in mind, you will have to subtract the $25 monthly fee as well. But what I want to show you, guys, you are not getting this from a bank. Okay? This is 1 year, right? That's why I had it set at. Correct? 1 year, 3% on a weekly basis. Almost $5,000. All you did was invested $1,000. You come to your account every week just to see what your profit is from your investment. You look at it, you smile, you get excited, you go on about your business, come back the next week. So let's say if we did 2 years, all right? I really want you to see these numbers. Really want you to see the numbers. $22,000. Guys, you are not getting that. Okay, I don't care what nobody says. You're not getting that from your checking account. You know that you're getting it there. You're definitely not getting it from your savings account. 2 years. Do you realize how many people would start a savings account the same way if they could get this kind of return at the end of the year when they get that statement and they see a little $2, thank you. You're not doing that. That's what you're getting there. Look at what you're getting here. Just letting your money ride. All right. Let's do 4 years. We're going to skip the 3 years. Let's do 4 years because we want to do the 5 years. You putting this in, you're just watching it. Most people always say, when you do your companies, where do you want to be in the next, 3 to 5 years? Well, check this out. When I put this at 3 years, guys, $1,000, 3 years, 3% weekly, all right, over $108,000. Guys, if you don't have a savings account, they used to say you should start a savings account when you're very, very young, in your 20s with your first job, or in your teens with your first job, and you should put $25 in your account, and off of each paycheck, and the whole scenario. Guys, You can make up for that here. If you don't have a savings account like that, you was late getting started, you can make up for that right here. Okay, that's 3 years. 3 years time, $1,000 investing, $108,000. Let's go one more. Again, we're going to skip and we're going to go right here to the 5 years. Okay, 5 years, $1,000 invested, compounded at 3% weekly. You're adding that right back into your account, guys. Where are we at? 2 mil. Look at this. 2 mil. The possibilities, the potential. Now, some people say, yeah, but what if Novatech won't be around then and this, that, and other? What if your job is not around? What if you go in next Friday and your job is not around anymore? Or they give you a pink slip? Or you get into some type of dispute with the company and you walk off the job? That what if is not even in the equation, because anything could happen. We know that anything could happen. But we're looking at the potential of if everything goes the way you want it to go. $1,000 investment, you haven't traded one thing in a demo account, you haven't traded one thing as a on the brokerage account or live account. All you've done was invested the $1,000 if that's what you want to do, and let the companies, brokers, traders, and their tools, and let them work for you, and a minimum between 2 to 3, maybe 4% on a weekly basis. And this is where you're looking, guys. This is 5 years. What are you going to do 5 years from now? 5 years from now, I would be 60 years old. 60 years old in 5 years. Now, all you subtract from this is the $25 monthly fee for 5 years, and that's what you're coming into, guys. Initial balance, $1,000, guys. 5 years. Check it out. So, I don't even have to make this video no longer. This is the potential you guys have. Joining me now, you're joining me, getting involved with the opportunity, setting yourself up, and then you share this with your friends or people that are interested in, making some money with us here, whether they want to trade, learn how to trade, or don't trade. And here's another cool thing, guys. The money is there for you, whether you want to let it stay or whether you want to take it out. All right, you can do that. Now, I think if you take it out, I'm not sure, I'm going to look back, but if you take it out with under a certain amount of time, I believe like 90 days or whatever, there is some cost to that. But let's say from 90 days beyond, you take it out, there's no penalties, no nothing. You take what you want, you leave. Some people even take their initial investment out and do whatever that is that they want. Now you're working with the company's money or the profits that you're making, because your investment you've already taken out. I'm telling you guys, this is serious. My next video might be something else on Novatech. For those that are following me because of pocket options, I got something hot coming down the pipe with that too. I just had to make sure a couple of the things were going right so that your losses won't be, or the losses won't be significant. Because of course in pocket options as well, you guys know it could be iffy. You can get 5 or 6 trades right, and then you can turn around and get a couple of them wrong, and then you get frustrated and start trading on emotions, and you wind up blowing your account. But I have to show you guys this, because when you do, and trading in pocket options or trading on Forex or whatever yourself, or learning, and you got a broker account and it's live, most people put in maybe $100. Most people may put in a little more, $100, and they blow their account. You can take that same money, put it here, and I just showed you, let it compound. Let it go in every week. Just add it to your balance, trading balance. Allow Novatech's people to do what they do best and watch that grow. All right, so get back with me. My sign up link is in the description. The phone number that you always see, that's my direct cell. Is not anything, but my direct cell. You can text me, you can call me, just say that you're calling about my Novatech video or about whatever videos you've seen, and we'll discuss it. But the bottom line is, guys, you need to get into this and let your money finally work for you. All right, this is Mike Freeland. You guys take care. Have a fantastic video. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. God bless.